guys. I had to do some adjusting there this morning. All right, Saxon Phonics lesson 38. Okay. All right, don't forget to study your spelling words. Your spelling test is on Friday, study list 7. You can use Spelling City or your own way to practice. All right, for today, you're going to have 3 papers. All right, your first page has letters on it. You are going to need to cut these letters out and have them on your desk area. So that first page, you'll cut these out. You should have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 letter tiles. All right, after that, you'll have your bingo page for lesson 38 and then digraph EE. So what I want you to do is pause the video and cut out your letter tiles that we need for an activity. So pause your lesson and cut out these letter tiles. And then we'll get started on our lesson. Okay, boys and girls, today you are going to have the chance to alphabetize some letters. All right, alphabetize means to put them in ABC order. When you put them in ABC order, you put them in the order they would come in based on the order we use for our letters, so A through Z. All right, you can use your alphabet strip that I've given you to lay out in front of you. So you can put that strip out in front of you to help you. All right, now you'll put the letters in ABC order by asking yourself, do you have the first letter in the alphabet? If you do, it will go first. If you don't, you'll go to the next letter and the next letter until you put them in ABC order. So let's look at your alphabet tiles. What's the first letter in the alphabet? It is A. Do we have the letter A? No. So what's the next letter? B. Do we have the letter B? No. So what's the next letter in the alphabet? C. Do we have a C? Yes. So it will be our first one of these in ABC order. All right, what letter comes after C? D. Do we have a D? No. What letter comes after D? E. Do we have an E? No. All right, what comes after that? F. Do we have an F? No. All right, next is G. Do we have a G? No. Next is H. Do we have an H? Yes. So we move it over. It is our next one, our second one. All right, after H is I. Do we have an I? Yes, we do. So we can move it over. Miss Powers will shrink hers so it'll fit. All right, after I is J. Do we have a J? No. K. Do we have K? Yes. So it'll be fourth. After K is L. Do we have an L? Yes. After L is M. Do we have an M? No. N. Do we have an N? No. O. Do we have an O? No. P. Do we have the letter P? Yes. There it is. Right after P is Q. Do we have a Q? No. What about R? No. S? Yes, we have an S. Do we have a T? No. What about a U? Yes. V? W? X? We have an X. And then we have a Y. Now the way to check yourself is if you can sing your ABCs and you can go down the row as you touch them, then they're in the correct order. So let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Were we able to go down each time? Yes, we were. So if you're able to, you have them in the correct order. We were able to alphabetize our letter tiles. You call that alphabetize. What do you call it? Alphabetize. It means put them in A, B, C order. All right, you can choose to save these letter tiles to practice again putting them in ABC order. Or if you have it down pat, you and your parents may decide to throw those away today. It's totally up to you guys, okay? So if you need extra practice, you can save them and practice. If you don't need them, you can throw them away today. All right, review from yesterday. O-O, digraph O-O makes two sounds. First sound, get ready. Hook, digraph O-O. Yes, ooh. Next one, tooth, digraph O-O, says, yes, ooh. All right, let's review your sounds, letters, and sight words. Name the letters. Digraph O-O. E consonant E. B. Q. Digraph S-H. D. S. C. O consonant E. Combination I-R. E. A. V. Combination O-R. I consonant E. Combination Q-U. Digraph T-H. P. U consonant E. Digraph C-K. W-H. Combination W-H. J. A consonant E. Digraph C-H. Combination E-R. combination UR, L, combination AR, X, affix cards. All right, we have suffixes so far. Added to the end of a root word changes the meaning. Suffix ED means it's already happened in the past. Suffix ING means it's happening right now. Suffix S means more than one, like those plural nouns. Suffix less means without. All right, sight word cards. Read these the fast way. Love, won't, your, could, don't, today, said, what, have, are, would, something, they, should, of, there, it belongs to them, from, some, were, you, for, who, come, there, a place, where. All right, let's play bingo first. Look at your bingo card. I'm going to give directions. For every direction I give you, cross out that box. When you have covered 4 boxes across, down, or diagonal from corner to corner, you may say bingo. All right, listen. Let's begin. Cover the correct spelling for the final sound in the word grass. Grass. I will cut my grass today. Grass. Cover the suffix in the word starring. Starring. The movie is starring a cool dog. Starring. Cover the suffix in that word. Cover the vowel sound in the word lake. Lake. We ride in the boat at the lake. Now, cross out the correct spelling for the final sound in the word fluff. Fluff. I will fluff my pillow. Fluff. Cross out the vowel sound in the word cute. Cute. The puppy is very cute. Cover the suffix in the word landed. Landed. The pilot landed the plane safely. Landed. Cover or cross out the correct spelling for the final sound in the word thrill. Thrill. It was a thrill to get to ride the rides at the fair. Thrill. Now cross out the medial sound or spelling in the word tooth. Tooth. I lost a tooth. Tooth. Miss Byers was about to change that word to an irregular plural. We're going to learn that later on today. Tooth. Cover or cross out the vowel sound in the word like. Like. I like to eat pizza. Like. Cross out the vowel sound in the word rope. Rope. The cowboy uses a rope as a lasso. Rope. I hear bingo. Let's check it. Here's what you should have. All right. The final spelling in grass, that is a floss rule, SS. The suffix in starring, suffix ing. The vowel sound in lake, A consonant E. We spell lake, L-A-K-E. All right. The final sound in fluff, that is also a floss rule, FF. Miss Byers had to look for it. The vowel sound in cute, U consonant E. All right. The suffix in landed, suffix ed. The final sound in thrill, floss roll, LL. The vowel sound in like, I consonant E. All right. The medial sound in tooth, ooh, o. It's one of the sounds of o. And the vowel sound in rope, o consonant e. All right, so you had bingo 2 different ways today. You could have it up and down, or you could have it diagonal. 2 different ways to make it today. All right, let's practice spelling. Turn it over to the back. Number 1, grass. Grass. We just used it on our bingo card, so you should know the final spelling. I will cut my grass today. Tell me the sound you hear in grass. Get ready. G, r, a, s. Grass. Spell it on number 1. Grass. All right, let's check your work. Grass. Grass. What word? Grass. Floss rule. Number 2. The word is trap. Trap. Be careful of the trap. Tell me the sounds you hear. T, r, ap. Again. T, r, ap. Spell trap on number 2. Trap. Let's check your work. Trap. T-R-A-P. What word? Trap. Number 3. Off. Off. Please turn that light off. Tell me the sound you hear in off. Get ready. Off. Again. Off. Spell off on number 3. All right, let's spell off. O-F-F. What word? Off. All right, number 4. We're going to spell the word there, as in a place. Please put your backpack back there. The word is there, as in a place. There, number 4. All right, let's spell there as in a place. T-H-E-R-E, there. This means a location or place. Number 5. This is a contraction. Won't. Won't. It stands for will not. My mom says, I won't do that. Won't stands for will not. Right, won't on number 5. All right, let's check our work. Won't. W-O-N apostrophe T. Apostrophe fills that space. All right, remember, won't is a rule breaker because it came from the 2 words will not. That's what makes it a sight word. Won't. And number 6, would. Would. I would love to go fishing. Would. Spell would on number 6. Now let's check your work. Would. W-O-U-L-D. Would. Now make sure you have them all spelled correctly. All right. Now echo these words and listen to the sound in the medial or middle position. Feet. Weep. Teen. What sound do you hear in the medial position? Yes, we hear E. Let's look at these words and see what is making that sound. Feet. Weep. Teen. What's making the E sound? Yes, it's E-E. Boys and girls, what do you call E-E? It's a digraph. two letters that come together to make one sound. All right, is this a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? It is a vowel digraph because E are both vowels. All right, and how do we code digraphs? Yes, we underline them. So let's get to my coding page. So let's underline them. Digraph E. Now, let's listen to it. Do both of the letters make a sound? Remember, it's two letters that come together to make one sound. So we only hear the E sound one time, right? All right. When we do that, one vowel does the talking and the other does the walking. He just hangs out with them. So we can put the long vowel sound over the first one, and the second one, he's just silent. He just hangs with them. So we hear E. We don't hear E, right? Just one sound. So long E, and he's silent. So let's come over here, do the same thing. He does the talking. This one's going to do the walking. He's going to do the talking. This second one's going to do the walking along with him. So let's sound them out. Feet. What word? Feet. Next one. Weep. What word? Weep. And the next one, teen, teen. All right. So let's go back.